Hello everyone, JR with Secure Metals, bringing you another quick technical look at your precious metals market. Today is the 3rd day of June 2013, and it is approximately 9:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Market is open as of right now, and just wanted to visit here these quick technicals. This is your daily chart here on gold. As of right now, we are trading in this triangle here, and we do not want to fall below this triangle. That would most likely bring down either new lows or at least a test of the previous low here, the April low of 1322. So again, as of right now, really trading in this band. I'd really like to get over this band so we can continue to go higher. Again, like I said, really this 1339 is a key level. That's the previous low. And as of right now, we are going into this, we are trading in this channel. Now, this trend line here from the previous trend here that we had a couple months back. This is acting as a triangle here. So we could find some resistance here just a bit over the 1424 area. If this doesn't hold again, I'd like to see this thing trade in this new band here that we've created. So again, a fall below this level here, 1338, would most likely bring either new lows, maybe even the low 1300s, possibly even the high 1200s. But again, if we continue to stay above this, this will be fairly positive for us. It might be that we have found a floor. As of right now, it does look like we have found a floor. Stochastics are turning lower. And again, the metal is attempting to push a bit higher. So as of right now, we just have to see if this 20-day moving average, like I said on the previous video, if it's going to hold. As of right now, it is holding us down, but the metal is attempting to go a bit higher here. As of right now, also, your 20-day moving average, 50 and 100-day moving average are above us. So we'd like to see this thing go above this 20-day moving average. It does look like it's trying to push higher. Stochastics are moving lower. So again, it could be the case where we come back and test this trend line again and hopefully continue to go higher from there. On the weekly time frame, it does look like the metal is attempting to push higher, at least to try to test this 200-day moving average. The stochastics have turned higher, so we just want to see if this is going to hold and if it's going to test this 1450 range. And again, on silver, again, really not much action from the previous video. Again, on the silver chart here, again, also being held down by this 20-day moving average. The Bollinger Bands are beginning to contract, which are soon to come breakout. We just don't know if it's going to be to the downside or the upside. But as of right now, this level here, roughly around 2212, has been holding up very, very, very nicely. And we really do want to get out of this range here, because the more we test the level, the more odds we have of breaking that level. And again, we don't necessarily want to fall below 2197 here on this chart, because that will most likely open up. Obviously, the next level would be 2137, but it will also bring down the May low at around $20.22. Again, this was really a flash crash. They called it another flash crash. So it could be different sites had the lows at different points. But again, this point seems to be fairly accurate, because it also works very nicely with this trend line that we had here from the all-time high, not the all-time high, but the April 2011 high, back down here to this low here. So we could see this thing break out from here to continue to go up higher. But again, we definitely don't want to fall below this line. Falling below this line, maybe to the 20. Now remember, this line, actually, I don't even know if this line is accurately drawn. This probably looks a little bit better. So we don't necessarily want to fall. As of right now, we are above this line. We want to stay above this line so we can continue to go higher from here. But as of right now, again, we don't want to necessarily fall below this line. If we are going to see a move to the downside, we don't want to see a big move to the downside where it's going to take us to $17 or again below this line. Any move below this line would be extremely bearish for silver. So we do want to stay above this line here. But again, we do want to anticipate that a move below $22 would most likely signal either new lows under 2020 or again retesting this low at 2020. All right. So again, guys, not much to report. Stochastics are still above us. Plenty of room to climb, though. The downside, if you ask me, is very limited. So again, this would be your downside move. Let's say a $3 or $4 move from 22.35 where we are now. But the upside, as you can see, is 25, 27, 29, and of course, this 200-day moving average at the 30 level before we continue to zigzag and continue to go much higher. And again, that's the weekly chart. I think I just went over the daily chart. Yeah, the daily chart, we are looking to go above this 20-day moving average before we can continue to go higher. So as of right now, guys, not too much to report. I just really want to see how price action is going to look. Again, as of right now, we are trading between 22.10 all the way up to 23.20. If a move over this support line here, roughly 23.28, and also 23.78, which is a 23% Fibonacci retracement, that would be very bullish, I would think. And if that's the case, where we do hover above this move, then we're most likely going to continue to go to 26, possibly 28, 27.68, and also the $29 zone here, the 61% Fibonacci retracement. All right, guys, that's it for today, and have yourself a great rest of the week. Bye-bye.